Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Install Reference 2 plugin and enable it in your plugin manager so the host recognizes it. Once done, make sure your host app version meets the minimum requirement to avoid compatibility errors. You should prepare a small sample dataset and back up your current project. This prevents data loss while you experiment. Then open the plugin panel, load the sample, and initialize a new workspace. This gets you into the first actionable state, where you can begin mapping references. Now you configure the core mapping. Choose the mapping mode and pick the reference profiles that match your domain. Next, adjust match thresholds and weighting so the plugin prioritizes key fields. Normalization fixes formatting mismatches automatically. Once configured, run a preview pass to inspect alignments and conflicts. This shows where rules misfire and why. If you see misaligned records, tweak field mappings and thresholds. Then rerun the preview until the majority of matches align with expected results. To finish, execute the full run and validate the output against your sample and live data. Export results and save the working configuration as a reusable template so you can replicate the process. If you encounter problems, consult the plugin logs and increase debug verbosity to capture detailed errors. This reveals mapping failures and data type mismatches. If errors persist, revert to your backup, reduce changes to a minimal reproducible case, and contact support with log excerpts for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.